Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Smiley Videography. Today I'm back with new video unboxing this carrying trolley made by Fuxtec. It's a summertime. Everybody is hanging around these days with this kind of trolley because it's very practical and it could help in carrying a lot of stuff if you go to beach or if you go to lake, as well as your kids. If you have a toddler or two, then you can all carry them with this kind of trolley. This version is CT850 and the dimension is 575 millimeter on 325 on 900 millimeter. This could carry on up to 75 kilogram, and the full package is weighing 17.4 kilogram, and the net weight for the trolley itself is 15.5 kilogram. This is everything inside. Probably this is a one-stop shop. You just open the box and it should be mounted straight. We don't need to spend time in assembling it. This is the book. These are the steps. Here. And this is the guarantee, the stamp for the guarantee. And there we go. Nothing more. So this is the gray version with the wheels red stripe. It's basically the last piece on their storage. I like the matching colors, the red and the gray. And to open it, we just need to take this up and it will get open. And we got the trolley. Woohoo, nice. Nice. We have the brakes here. We have the brake, two brake. This one. This is the second. And of course we can pull it from here. Just need to snap it out. Then you can pull it as well and try to very nice, very nice. And put it back. Then you just lift this up and it goes back as it was. You can also drive it like a stroller or pram. Very nice. For someone like me who is not very short but not very tall, I'm like 1.87 meters. It's very nice. So someone in my height can drive it just fine. There we go. Let me take you a closer look. Then to close it, you just need to pull this up, and then this should go back where it was. To open it, just also click it again. then a little push, and all good. So you have here extra leg room. So if you have a toddler, and this is extra box as well, just open from here, then you have here, very nice, very good quality. Then to close it, you just snip here, and then it goes back. You can close it. There you go. Then we can open it from here, so you can have extra space. Now this one comes with shades, sunshades, and is protected with UV lights. So we can just open this from here, like this, and from here, like this. Right. The corners came reinforced, I believe. Either this is a plastic or leather, I'm not sure. You can see here, they are on all four corners. To not torn these corners easily. Let's put this one here. There we go. And there we go. You have extra pockets here as well to put a phone or bottle of water. You also have this little net from here, so you can let some sunlight get in, but if you don't want, you can absolutely close it and enjoy the shadow. So all this material could be forget to put this here. All this material could be washed, like you can take it out and wash it. You just need to, for example, for this one, you just need to open it from here, from all the corners, then from here, and then take it out to wash it. Now I'm not gonna do this, I will put it back. So this is it basically. Then to put this back, you can simply close this one. You gotta put this first, then we put this. So to take these shades away, take this out, take this out, take it out, and out from here. Then push this button, put it back where it was. Push this one over here, put it back where it was. Put it back. And this one, we put it back. If you are interested to buy more accessories, they do have a mosquito net. Also they have a rain cover if you want to drive it in the winter. Then the cup holder, if you will be driving in a harsh road and some of the wheels got fucked up, you may be able to change the wheels as well. quality certified. So if you are interested in this product, you can find it on their website, which is www.fuxtec.com. Just search by CT850 and you'll get this one. Now this product price was a little bit expensive, but again, you are buying the quality, because there are other carrying trolleys that are a little cheaper, like for 100 euro, 150 euro you can get one, but this one have a premium quality, which is made of iron, really firm iron. Again, you are buying the quality. If you would like just something cheap, then of course you can go for cheaper products. It depends on your budget. So now I will show you how you can fold this sunshade here. We'll just turn it like this. We make these corners as this, then the corners here like this, and we bring this side from here and bring the other side, and then make 1, 2, 3, and 4, and there we have the sunshade nicely folded. Now we can just put it back in its own place. Done. Lilia.
Waarom? Tap, 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 tap.
Evet. Şeyha. Ram ram ram. This was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like it. Thank you. Until the next video, have a good day.